Tear gas and water cannons were fired by Italian riot police to anti-COVID health pass protesters who were blocking the Trieste port. Protesters conducting a sit-in at Trieste port in response to the adoption of the country's Green Pass COVID health passport were dispersed with tear gas and water cannon by police in northeastern Italy. In September, the Italian government passed legislation mandating all workers to present a COVID Green Pass, which verifies their vaccination status, negative test results, or recent recovery from the virus. The move, which included some of the world's tightest COVID requirements, was a first for Europe. Police ordered demonstrators to leave the area in the name of the law 4 days after the demonstration began at the port, before shooting tear gas and using water cannon. The gathered crowd of demonstrators were heard chanting "Liberty! Liberty! And people like us never give up." The sit-in protest began on Friday, and the port's president, Zeno D'Agostino, declared on Sunday, ahead of the police action, that the situation can no longer be accepted since the region requires a port that functions. Protesters have stated that if the government continues to insist on the COVID pass requirement for workers, they will organize another rally on October 30th at Trieste port, blocking all of Italy. According to Stefano Puzzer of the Port Workers Coordination of Trieste, estimates imply that roughly 40% of port workers are not vaccinated, with a sector of the city's population rejecting the vaccine program. In the mayoral elections earlier this month, 4.5% of voters supported an anti-vaccine party. Massimiliano Federiga, the regional governor, expressed fear that the protest and the necessity for police involvement might hinder operations at the Trieste port, which is a significant shipping gateway for Italy. Similar protests were reported in Genoa, another important port in Italy, when protesters blocked truck access, potentially escalating the problem across the country.